everyone, so welcome to my last episode of my Memorydex series. I am going to be showing you a quick flip through just because if I were to show you all the cards that I put together, it was pretty much repetitive. So I just figured I'd show you the finished project. If you haven't seen how I create my own little Memorydex box as well as some of the process on how I created the cards, I'll go ahead and link that little playlist down below. And yeah, let me just go ahead and get started. So you guys saw me create some of these cards, not all of them. So I did add these little journaling cards in there just to tuck them in there so it looks kind of cute. And if I had the punch, I would have totally used it. But so I love how this turned out. I'm definitely going to make another one for Christmas because it's super cute. And it works. So, not quite sure where I left off, but trying to use just the collection kit, so like the papers and the stickers, was extremely hard. I'm used to using coordinating ephemera and enamel dots and stickers. I'm used to using so much of that kind of stuff that this was very limiting, but I still I'm happy with how it turned out. I think it came out really, really cute. So there's that, and it all kind of coordinates. So I'm not upset about it. So there's this, and that's it. So I love it. I think it came out really, really adorable. I wish I could have had a little more embellishments to work with, but I still enjoyed the process of this. I enjoyed making this. I also thought that maybe I could have made a little intro page, but I actually love my daughter in the front. I think it's really, really cute. So, and it says "Boo to you." So I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick flip through of the little Memorydex box that I created. I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.